Ek is skoon jaloers. Ehm ja, dis baie interessant. Dankie baie daarvoor. Ek sit net nou vanoggend te praat met Abba en besef weer net wat hy gedoen het en hoe hy jou in my lewe ingebring het en wat die betekenis daarvan is. En ek besef weer, ja, jy is precious. Skus, ek is die laaste dag net weer ons sal later 'n bietjie gesels. Praat nou met jou, jy. Bye bye.
Bye, my love. Bye for now. I loved all the dreams we dreamt together. I loved all the roads we wanted to walk, every scenery we wanted to see, all the questions we were too shy to talk. Through all those precious moments, I loved you from the very start. I stayed true. The day I met you, my heart just fell helplessly like Newton's apple. Heaven was in your eyes, I could tell. In every kiss, a new world was found. Among 8 billion people, it was serendipity. Our destiny. And if I could save time in a bottle, I'd catch every second we ever knew. I'd hold them until eternity passed, just to spend them all again with you. It's a long rainy season, my love. The maple leaves are still fluttering down. I'm walking through my tears for an endless time, in a world where the sun can't be found. Time got carried away by the rain, and I'm left here calling your name. If dreams were wishes, I'd make them come true. If days were treasures, I'd spend them on you. But one rainy autumn day, the colors turned gray, the maple leaves fell, and you went away. Now there's no way of knowing if it's night or day. Newton's apple falling, terra firma, but I'm falling through. A long rainy season,
peace never came, and the leaves are still falling.
I loved you.
I love you still.
It's still a long rainy season.